and put the stress on me. No, my friend. No, my friend. No more. No more. What is going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. When I don't work on Uber Eats and DoorDash. More live as well. It is true. I am no longer accepting stacked orders on DoorDash or Uber Eats. Now, first of all, let's talk about the facts. In the Bronx, based on my experience, stacked orders are like +$1, +$2, +$3, right? And I've learned that in other markets, that's not the case. I've seen stacked orders +8, +10, and they're in a way easier market, meaning no high rises, no project, no nothing. And they get more money? I'm like, you know what? No more stacked orders. However, I will take it unless this specific criteria is met. And that is, one, it has to be more than $7 add-on. And two, it has to be really close by to each drop-off. No dropping off here and then going across town there. None of that. So here's my reasoning for not taking stacked orders. Based on my experience, this is real life experience, right? So first example, I was in Westchester Avenue by close to the Bronx River for all my Bronx people. That strip of road is very high dense with stores and people and traffic. So I got a call there. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I take it, I wait, I get my first order. As I went back to my car, I got another order, right? So I have to go back and wait. So DoorDash, for some reason, put the second order to be dropped off first and the first one last. And both orders were going across town in rush hour. And that was a new mistake. I shouldn't have taken that call because in rush hour in the Bronx, I-87, Bruckner, oh my God, traffic mania, right? But I took it anyway because I was new. I didn't know better, right? So long story short, on the way to the second order, the first order guy was calling me nonstop, where am I? I'm right by him. Why am I going further away from him? I'm like, so the aggravation of that, man, I'm like, wait a minute. I didn't sign up for this. Why is DoorDash letting him call me, ask me where I'm at, man? DoorDash put another order on top of his. Why didn't they tell him, hey, he's on another order before you? Easy. Problem solved. No, they have to direct the call to me and put the stress on me. No, my friend. No, my friend. No more. No more. So that's the first example. The second example, I was in Parkchester. And for those of you who know Parkchester, it's like a little maze. But I know Parkchester because I worked in that area before from my previous job. So I'm comfortable in that area, right? So I get two orders from the same restaurant. They go into one building here and another place out of Parkchester, but close to Parkchester. So the same thing. The first order got to be the last order, and the last order was the first. The same thing. The first order guy calling me, where am I? Am I close? At what time I'm gonna be here? So by this time, I'm like, that's it. No more stacked orders. I'm not doing that. I'm not going through this aggravation, right? However, I was in Chipotle. I got a call. Chipotle. And it was a $10 call. And it was going close, which I was surprised because it was going really close and it was $10. And then I noticed it was because they was putting a good amount of tip in there. So I was like, okay, cool. So as I was waiting for my first call, I got another call in Chipotle. And it was going close by to the first order. So I was like, okay, my criteria was met. It's close by and it's more than $7, right? So I took them both. I took the first one, which was in a very annoying place because it wasn't one way and there was no parking. So I had to go into another block, go up the stairs and give them the food, say thank you, come back down, go. It's like wasted time. So the second order was going to a project building. And this project building was in construction. Okay, first of all, project buildings are annoying to work with because their numbers are like freaking spaghetti. Projects in construction? Oh my God. You can't see the numbers of the building unless you're right in front of the door and you look up besides in between the freaking wood and the front door. Amazing. Amazingly ignorant for construction people to do this. But whatever. So I go into the first building. It's not the building. It's 515 and I'm looking for 505. So I'm like, okay, at least I'm in the area of 505. So I finally find this building. As I'm going in the elevator to drop this order off in the 12th floor, 12G or something, they call me. Where you at? You got my food? I'm like, oh man. I thought I escaped this. It paid good, man. It paid me $18 and I did it in like less than 20 minutes. So money wise, it was good. But yeah, it was a little aggravating to do. So like I said, this is why I don't take no more stacked orders unless a specific criteria is met. So if you found this video informational, please give me a like on this video. And if you're new, don't worry about it. Just go through the ropes and you'll be fine. God bless. Stay prayed up. Peace.